Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to take apart your gearbox. If you have a Rhodan, I personally have a Rhodan 120 volt 84 inch shaft. I'm going to show you how to get in the gearbox and what could possibly be wrong if your Rhodan is not turning left and right, and how to repair it. Alright, so once you get your gearbox off of your trolling motor shaft, there are 4 screws. There's 2 right there and 1 and 2 right there. You'll have to take those off and that'll open up your gearbox. Alright guys, once you get those 4 screws out, you'll need the long screwdriver, not necessarily this long, but you'll need to open up your gearbox, and this sleeve will push in, or turn it upside down. Shake that sleeve off right here. Alright, now that I've got the gearbox apart, you'll see this is your shaft sleeve with the gears on it, and that's the actual gear motor. There are 4 Phillips head screws. You'll need to get those out to get the shaft out. Alright, once you get those 4 screws loose, simply pull out your motor, set it aside, and here's the shaft. And this is what it's not supposed to look like. As you see, those teeth are tore up. That's it, guys. Plastic shaft, $25 part from Rhodan. So hope this helps somebody. And just know that you don't have to buy the whole gearbox now.